Hi friends, today I will show you how to remove photo background easily with a simple apps, and you can use only Android and iOS. So it's a simple trick, super fast and easy. So don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel, and let's go. Go to Play Store and search background remover or background eraser. This is simple apps, only 2 MB, and it's a huge download. Already 50 million and rating is 4.6 plus. So install and open this app. Upload your photo. I just show a beautiful flyer.
Tropical Traveler by
and done. Here is many other tools. You can use anyone as your
Still Awake by
wish.
Ghost Drifter.
So I select auto and then just simple drag and drop.
Hot
You can
Coffee by
also
Ghost Drifter.
bigger or smaller. So it's a medium, not okay.
The Things That Keep Us Here by Scott Buckley.
Then use
Kenny
manual
by Lock
and
Speeds.
it's a
Mosaic by Lahar.
just zoom in and
No Prayers by Pokey DJ.
You know it's getting dark inside my head. I feel there's something that is stopping me now.
Spiral by KB. Coming Home by Liquid and Dayfox.
so that's all. Click done, and here you can also smooth or
Fog by
none,
Desaro.
just a little bit and save it. Okay, go to photo and select one. Okay, that is
River by
super
Music by Aiden.
easy. So it's a PNG file, you can use every